Starting an online business is a tricky thing. The fact that you don't have a physical location or an office can make things difficult, not to mention the amount of time and money it takes to start and maintain a sustainable business. That's why we've put together this step-by-step guide on starting an online business, from naming your company to marketing your services in order to engage with new customers. Before you start your business, you need 5 key points to consider when putting together your startup business plan. 1. Define your business model. What products or services will you offer? How will you generate revenue? 2. Research your industry and target market. What trends are happening in your industry? Who is your target market? 3. Create a marketing strategy. How will you reach your target market? What channels will you use? 4. Build a strong team. Who will be on your team and what role will they play? And 5. Plan for financing. How much money do you need to get started? How will you raise it? Market research. As a startup business, one of the most important things you can do is market research. 1. Who is your target audience? 2. What does your target audience want? 3. How can you reach your target audience? Once you have a good understanding of these 3 things, you can start planning your marketing strategy. Your competition. An important part of your startup business plan is to understand your competition. There is a lot of business out there competing for the same customers, so you need to make sure you're offering something unique. Take some time to research your competition and figure out what they're doing well and what they're doing wrong. Your product or service and features. Assuming you have a great product or service, the next step is to convince people they need it. This involves creating content that demonstrates how your product or service solves a problem or improves upon an existing solution. Marketing plan. Without customers, you don't have a business. To get people to visit your site and to buy your products or services, you need to have a comprehensive marketing strategy. That includes everything from SEO and content marketing to social media and email marketing. Financials. One of the most important aspects of starting an online business is creating a sound financial plan. This will help you map out the costs associated with starting and running your business, as well as giving you a clear idea of how much revenue you need to generate to be successful. There are a lot of factors to consider when starting an online business, but don't let that overwhelm you. Use this checklist as a guide to help you create a comprehensive and effective startup business plan. With careful planning and execution, you'll be on your way to building a successful online business in no time.